Right, so they said that ABCD is a square. That's the important thing. Okay, if they say it's a square, then you can say, okay, well, if it's a square, okay, and we need to find F1, this one here. This is what we need to find, that one. And they also said that AEB is 55. So we know this angle here is 55 degrees, okay? And we need to find this one. So actually all we need is to find out what is A1. Okay. And if you think about it, A1 is the corner angle of the diagonal. And one of the properties of the square, because they told you ABCD is a square, so again, you must remember the properties. Otherwise, you can't do the question. So one of the properties is that A1 will be 45 degrees. Okay, A1 has to be 45. It's the corner angle diagonals, okay, of a diagonal of square. Diagonal of square makes 45-degree angles. Okay, so the diagonals makes 45-degree angles. So then we can say, now we can find F1, that's the one we want. We can say F1 is equal to 180 minus 45 minus 55, the two that we have, okay? And then reason some angles triangle, and therefore F1 will be 80 degrees. So F1 will be 80 degrees. Okay.